As we near the end of 2020, we hope you'll consider an end-of-year donation to Lucky Dog Rescue. We are a 501c3 charity, so your donation is 100% tax deductible. Lucky Dog Rescue is 100% volunteer-based, so 100% of your donation goes to help a dog in need. Here are some of the examples of the work we do. Java was an owner surrender who underwent 2 surgeries, costing us $3,000. One of our volunteers drove to California to pick up Trudy after getting a desperate plea for help. Trudy was grossly overweight and could barely walk. After several months of dieting and long walks with her foster, she lost over 30 pounds and has a new home to call her own. In 2020, we began taking in cats as the need was too great. Shirley was our first. She was dehydrated, underweight, had an infection, and kidney issues. Total bill for her care was $2,000, but she now lives happily in a home that loves her. After hearing of a cat colony that continued to grow each year in Phoenix, we stepped in. We got them spayed and neutered. Amongst them were 3 pregnant cats, 2 of whom needed a C-section, each costing $1,400. Camden and Rio both came from those pregnant intakes. We hope you'll consider helping us help more animals in need in 2021. Thank you.